mastered other lightsabers, but not like this. Armed with a Force-action lightsaber, you can instantly launch your blade with a flurry of light and sound. The power of the Force is in your hands. Force-action lightsaber E27, batteries not included.
Emergency transmission has been requested by the Milton Police Department. A shelter-in-place warning is in effect for the entire area of Milton. Multiple reports of a large reptilian-like creature have surfaced. This creature is approximately 10 feet tall, with black-like skin to blend in with the night. It has reddish spikes running down from the back to the tail. It has no arms. It is blind, but has very enhanced hearing, able to hear its prey from miles away. It can also mimic human voices and animal sounds to hear in its prey. This broadcast will be silent.